Railway Signaling System Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global railway signaling system market size is $13,542.2 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 6% from 2024 to 2031. North America railway signaling system market size will be $5,416.88 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe railway signaling system market $4,062.66 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.5% from 2024 to 2031. Asia Pacific Railway Signaling System Market $3,114.71 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America Railway Signaling System Market will be $677.11 million in 2024 and is estimated to grow at a CAGR of 5.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa Railway Signaling System Market will be $270.84 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.